Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be setting up this weekly dashboard or overview for the upcoming week in my Ink Bucket planner. So let's get started. With work goals, I have three things that I want to be focusing on this particular week. And the first one is to create a financial plan. There are a couple of expenses as well as investments coming up in the business. So I don't know if I've mentioned this before. I actually work with another person on my business. So we have to catch up, work out the financial stuff, and see, okay, what's the exact amount that, just the estimation amounts at least just to estimate the amounts as well as plan out these expenses and investments with proper intervals in between so that, these things sometimes what happens is everything comes at one time and we just want to work that out. So I'm going to be meeting with my partner and we're going to be working that through. And then this is still in the early stages, so I don't want to disclose a lot, but I am collaborating with someone else to come up with an online workshop that involves like meditation and all of that. So the person who I am collaborating with, she's actually a Reiki instructor. So she sent me the plan as to how, basically she brainstormed her ideas and she came up with a couple of things that she wants to do. So she has sent me that. I need to review everything and give her my feedback and add on if any other points I want to add on to that. So I'm going to be doing that. And also with the oracle readings, I'm going to start. And this week I'm having the goal setting sessions with the participants who have got selected. And by the way, I think I mentioned it in another video as well. I have sent emails to people who have got selected, so make sure to go and check your emails and book your goal setting session because that is going to get over in the next week. So make sure you check that out and book your goal setting session. So I want to be focusing on that this particular week. And then moving on to my personal goals, currently I am doing yin yoga, so until 31st of March, I'm going to be focusing on that. And then from 1st of April, I am doing a evening yoga challenge for the entire month of April. So yeah, I just started both of these things. And then my walks. So that's another thing that I prioritize because I enjoy that a lot. And also I'm really taking some time nowadays to, when I go on walks, just to spend some time there and not be in a hurry to come back. And the weather is getting warmer, so that's really nice. And yeah, just take it slow. So I'm really liking that as well. Just go sit by the lake, enjoy the view, just listen to all the ducks quacking and a lot of kids come there to play. So yeah, just enjoy that time. I've been really loving it. And then focus on ending work day by 8 p.m. So really set a tone for, I want to make sure that I transition to the bedtime with a more calm mindset. So I want to do that. And then meal planning. I actually finished my grocery shopping and I have a lot of videos that I had to film today. So I haven't done my meal planning yet. And I also am very hungry. So if I go to meal plan now, I don't know, I'll end up feeling even more hungry. So I'm gonna do this probably tomorrow. And I'm gonna add this meal plan sticker. Here we go. Weekly affirmation. Last week I used an affirmation that I usually use in tapping. So I'm gonna continue with the same thing because I loved it. I just loved it. And whenever even if you're working on an affirmation, if something really resonates with you and if you connect with that particular affirmation, then stick to it. So unless you feel the need to move on to a new one, stick to the current one that you already have. So I know we can come under the pressure of trying out new affirmations every time, but then just acknowledge what you currently need. And I love this. I think I spoke about it in the last video as well. It just feels really good. Deeply and completely accept myself. Such a nice affirmation. And this one is going to be for my oracle card. I'm just going to wipe it out. I'm using these Planacade stickers. So write down oracle card. I'll put that here. So this one, I have nothing else that I want to mark here. So I'm just going to go ahead and use it as a shopping list itself. Actually do my shopping list on another notepad. But since it's here, let's go and put it. Probably I'll use it for my groceries, or I don't have anything else that I foresee to buy. So I'm just going to use it for my groceries. And here, this is going to be my weekly to do. Also, I was planning my never mind. I was also planning my April month and stuff, and I noticed that I don't have a weekly dashboard for the next month. Sorry, for the next week, because usually towards the end of the month we have a weekly dashboard here, and then the week starts here. But for this week, I don't have it, and then I just have the weekly dashboard here. So I don't know what I'm gonna do about it, and yeah, probably I might end up using the one after the weekly spread, although it does feel a bit weird because I think it might be an error in this particular piece. Let me know if your planner also has this issue or it's just mine. So anyways, this is going to be my weekly to-do. So these are the things that I need to do in this particular week, but I don't have a set day to do that. So the first thing, like I usually put, is clean home. That's something I actually have started doing this on Monday mornings. Not Monday morning, like somewhere around Monday noon. So although I feel it's better it's here, so it takes off the pressure from Mondays. It's just I do it once a week, but I've noticed that I'm doing it more on Mondays. Anyways, that's one. And then I also need to set up my Google Calendar. So I think I'm going to be doing that I think on Monday. I might do it on Monday or Wednesday. So I need to do that. But just before April starts, I want to get that done. And for my well-being, meal plan, and grocery shopping, good there. And I want to book a tapping session. I still don't know when it's gonna be, so I want to book that. I'll probably book it today, but I don't know when it's gonna be in the upcoming week, so I need to. That's why I've just marked it here. It's technically not a to-do, it's actually an appointment, but I don't know when it's gonna be, so I put it here. And oh my god, this video is turned quicker than I expected it to. Anyways, I am finally done filming all the videos today. I hope you enjoyed watching all of these videos, and I hope you have set up your planner for the upcoming week as well as the upcoming month. By the way, you still have a lot of days to plan your April. But yeah, I just hope you are enjoying your planning routine along with watching my videos. If you like my videos, please give it a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.